with Spanky the Piglet. Well, I'm not baking yet, but I will be soon. Our first question comes from Jen from Aberdeen, Washington. Where do babies come from? Well, Jen, babies are made when daddies take mommies and they go bam, bam, bam. Then 9 months later, I'm pretty sure a nice little baby, girl or boy, falls right out of your mommy's ass crack. Next question. Okay, the next question comes from Kenny from Georgetown. He writes, why do we fart? We fart because it's better to come out of our ass than our mouth. Think about that one. The next question comes from Amanda from Pawtucket. She writes, why do you have such small eyes? Well, that's easy. That's because I'm high on controlled substances. Do you know what high is? Answer in the comments below. Alright, the next question's from Chloe, who lives in Boise, Idaho. She writes, how do birds fly? Well, I don't know about this one, but personally, when I want to fly, I go to 105th Street, take the bus all the way down to about 97, and get off and find Mr. Martinez. He's always on the corner. Yep, he hooks you up and you'll be flying in no time. The next question is from Jordan. Not Michael Jordan, but Jordan from Lewis, Delaware. Do you think a man will ever walk on the moon again? Well, I don't know about the moon, but there sure was a man walking on my moon last night. Alright, one more question. This one's from Michael and Baton Rouge. How do you pronounce that? Why do pigs eat slop? Well, that's simple. Because you cheap motherfuckers don't give us anything else to eat. You damn bastards. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this week's edition. We'll be doing this hopefully every week. So, send your